Okay, class, today we are in our class number 29. So let's continue. Clean, nettoyer. Clean, nettoyer. Clean, nettoyer. Wash the dishes, laver vaisseau. Wash the dishes, laver vaisseau. Wash the dishes, laver vaisseau. Do the laundry, laverade. Do the laundry, laverade. Do the laundry, laverade. I want, fait à repasser. I want, fait à repasser. I want, fait à repasser. Feed the baby, by bébé tété. Feed the baby, by bébé tété. Feed the baby, by bébé tété. Walk the dog, almene chien promener. Walk the dog, almene chien promener. Walk the dog, almene chien promener. Study, étudier. Study, étudier. Study, étudier. Exercise, exercice. Exercise, exercice. Exercise, exercice. Listen to music, tade musique. Listen to music, tade musique. Listen to music, tade musique. Play the guitar, jouer guitare. Play the guitar, jouer guitare. Play the guitar, jouer guitare. Play basketball, jouer basket. Play basketball, jouer basket. Play basketball, jouer basket. Clean the house, nettoyer Kyla. Clean the house, nettoyer Kyla. Clean the house, nettoyer Kyla. Okay, class, that was all for today. See you in the next video.